Hello, welcome to Erin Lee's Beauty. I'm Erin, and today I have my Ipsy Glambag and my Ipsy Glambag Plus for the month of February to go over with you. For those of you who don't know, Ipsy is a beauty subscription. The smaller bag, which is the Glam Bag, costs $13 a month. It has 5 deluxe size items inside. Normally they include some full size as well, but 5 deluxe size items are promised to you. And then also we have the Glam Bag Plus, which is $28 a month, and you get 5 full-size items in there. 2 of the items in which you can choose out of the 5. For the little bag, you can choose 1 of the 5 items. So let's go ahead and start with the littler bag that we have, and it comes in a packaging like this. So this is the bag for the month. I love how it's on theme with the holiday for Valentine's Day for February. And we even have a little heart-shaped charm attached to the bag here. Super cute. It's almost like a fake leather bag. It's really nice quality bag. I do have one item outside of the bag, so let's go ahead and start with that. And it is, to me, considered a full-size item. It is a brush. I would probably use this for highlight or something like that. To tell you the truth, this to me looks like a highlighter brush. There is that one. This is a hip dot. Okay, and then inside, which I love that they normally put with the Glam Bag. They don't normally put it with the Glam Bag Plus, but they normally put a little card in here with your items and tell you if they're full-size or deluxe-size items, and it tell you how much full-size item is and also how much each individual thing is valued at if it is full-size. For example, that brush is valued at $12. And they put it down as a contour brush. You could also use it as a contour brush. We can also use it as a highlight. I like how you can use different brushes for different things. The next item in here looks like it's from Benefit. And it's a black mascara. And it's called Roller Lash. This is a deluxe size item. The full size of this is said to value at $25. Next up, we have another full size item. This is crazy. This is from Koki Professional, and it's a gel ink dual end eyeliner. And it's waterproof, smudge proof, lasts up to 12 hours. That has a crayon and liquid with it. This is actually valued at $8, which is a really reasonable price for an eyeliner if you ask me. So I'm super excited to try it. I have tried a couple of Koki stuff before and I did like it, so excited to try something new from them. And then next up in the bag, they say this is also a full-size item. This was my choice this month, and it's from Naked Cosmetics. It's a lip scrub in the scent Peppermint. So I'm curious. I'm going to open it because I just want to see if it really does smell like peppermints, because I really like that smell. Oh, yes, it does. And I like the consistency of it. It doesn't like fall out. It's not like really granule. Like some other ones are like just pure sugar almost, and it just falls out everywhere and it's really messy. So I'm really happy that's not a really messy one. And the last item in my Glam Bag is a clay mask. But I will probably be giving that in a giveaway just because I do have a lot of clay masks as it is. So I would like to give that to somebody else so that they could have it because I have so many. But the full size of that is valued at $30. These bags are said to value at $50 plus, and it says that right there on the card. I couldn't remember how much they said that their bag is promised to value, but the Glam Bag is promised to value at $50 plus. So that's also good to know. I thought that was a really good Glam Bag. Let's see how many full-size items we got. 1, 2, 3 out of the 5 items were full-size. So I feel like it was the same like that for me last month. It really makes me happy that I get full-size items when they're supposed to be deluxe. But I'm happy with it. I'll take it. Next up is my Glam Bag Plus. This is the one that's $28 and has 5 full-size items inside. The first thing I'm pulling out is from Clean Skin Club, and it's a vitamin C brightening booster. It has watermelon in it, green tea, and pineapple in it. So I'm excited to see what this looks like. I've seen pictures of it online. Yes, I love it. It's like a fogged glass packaging. Super nice. Super expensive looking, which I love in my packaging. It has a really clean smell to it. It doesn't smell like bad or anything like that. So that's really good. This is valued at $50. It is a really generous size, and I like, let's see, this is something that you can use as a booster or as a serum. So you can mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum, and it can be applied morning and evening, or you can use it as a serum by itself and apply 3 drops directly to your face and neck after cleansing. So that's really cool. I like products that you can use in different ways like that, so that's really neat. And then next up, I'm pulling out from Rare Beauty. It's a Stay Vulnerable Glossy Lip Balm, and it's in the shade Nearly Mauve. So I'm interested to see what this looks like. Okay, cool. It has like a flat back to the packaging and then like a curved front to it. It's really neat, really unique. I like it. Let's see what the color looks like here. Okay, yeah, I could see how it's like in between a gloss and a balm, because it's not as glossy as some, and it kind of... This is valued at $18 for this glossy lip balm. I don't own this yet. I own her regular lip balms, but I don't own any of the glossy lip balms yet, so excited to try that out. We do have a card in this one, and it's just advertisement on there. They're going to have a Fenty Edit box. It's going to cost $49.99, and it's going to have... It just says it's going to be valued at over $170. So if you're interested in that, that is going to be coming up here soon. And then I have the Ditto palette. I'm not sure because these letters are really wonky and weird. I don't know if you guys can tell what that says there. I'm just going to hold up here. It is a Ditto palette. I'm not even going to try to pronounce that because to me the letters are not correct in the sense. They look a little wonky. I'm not familiar with that format of lettering. This palette is valued at $29.99. Oh my gosh, I love the outside packaging. It has like an elf girl on the front. I love like mythical creatures and stuff like that. So this is super cool to have. I don't have anything quite like this. And the mirror inside has these cool little embroideries around it. It's really neat. And this is the palette. I do have their other palette that they gave, the one that looks like the planets. I like how they have the textures in their pans. I think that makes it really unique and cool looking. Let's get a swatch of this. So they're just called, they're letters. The names of these are actually just letters. And I'm going to get swatches for you. This one's called O, and it's like a multicolored one, so I'm curious to see like what color it's going to show up as. Okay, it seems to be kind of like in the same color scheme, like definitely just a little bit different shades. And let's get this one's called Y. A little powdery, but what eyeshadow isn't, in my opinion. And let's get one more. Let's get a light color and see what that looks like. Okay, I can't really see that on my skin tone, so maybe I would have to stay away from that one. But I'm sure people with different skin tones could utilize that more, so I kind of like that it has multiple different tones in there like that. And then I have 2 more things left in this bag. So next, this is something they chose for me. It's not something I would particularly choose myself, but it is something I don't own. So I might give it a go. But it's Terra de Mars. I think we got a body wash of this in BoxyCharm. But anyways, it's a contour. It's an eye contour. It's vegan, cruelty free. And I'm not even sure what an eye contour is. It doesn't really have directions on here that I'm seeing, so this is probably something I'm going to have to look up online to see how to use and utilize. But this is actually valued at $25 for this eye contour. And then I have, from my favorite skincare brand, 111 Skin, this is a pre-activated toning cleanser valued at $70. Honestly, like, as far as face washes go, this is like smaller than normal ones. I feel like normal ones are like come up this high. but it is 111 skin, and there is 120 milliliters of products in there, or 4.06 fluid ounces. So I guess it is a decent amount, and hopefully it's one of those things where you can just use a little bit, and a little bit goes a long way. So that brings my total bag value to $192.99. For only spending $28, I think that's a fantastic savings. And I'm excited about the stuff in the bag. I really like it. I feel like it's a really good bag this month. Most of the time, Ipsy hits it out of the park. That's everything I had for you today. I'm Erin. Thanks so much for watching.